Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the different modes of transport in Finland. Suomen liikennemuodot. Liikenne means transport. Let's get started. The major types of transport include tieliikenne means road transport. Rautatieliikenne means rail transport. Lentoliikenne means air transport, and vesiliikenne means water transport. First, we have road transport. Tieliikenne. Auto, car. Linja-auto, bus. Taxi. Polkupyöräily, bicycle. Sähköpotkulauta, e-scooter. Kuorma-auto, truck. Moottoripyörä, motorcycle. Pakettiauto, van. Cars, buses and bicycles are very common in Finland. Finland has a well-maintained road network, and in cities like Helsinki, buses and bicycles are very popular modes of transport. Now, let's have a look at rail transport. Rautatieliikenne. Pendolino ja Intercity-juna. High-speed and intercity train. Yöjuna, night train. Lähijuna, commuter train. Metro. Tavarajuna, freight train. Raitiovaunu, tram. You can say ratikka for tram. Trains in Finland are modern, comfortable and fast. Helsinki also has a metro system and trams, making city transportation very convenient and environmentally friendly. Now we will talk about air transport. Ilmaliikenne. Lentokone, airplane. Helicopter. Finland's largest airport is Helsinki-Vantaa Airport. Next, water transport. Vesiliikenne. Laiva, ship. Lautta, ferry. Vene, boat. Since Finland has thousands of lakes and a long coastline, water transport or vesiliikenne is important. This was all about modes of transport. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.